Today's video from Sam4S, we're taking a look at the ER-180 register, and in particular we're going to demonstrate how you can add a non-add reference number to a till receipt. So the machine's got the function to add a up to 7-digit number to help you identify a till receipt. So it could be an invoice number, an order number from a different system, or a table number, whatever you want. You can add that to the till receipt without changing the financials of the sale. It's really easy to do. You can add it at any time in the sale. I'm going to add mine at the very start. So you type in up to 7 digits, then press the no sale button here. You then enter the rest of the transaction as you would normally. Subtotal, cash the sale off. You see on the till receipt you've now got a non-add reference number up there. I've popped in 7 digits. Obviously you don't have to, you can put in however many digits you need to help identify the receipt. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 and other Sam4S registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.